Hey there, Jess here. If you're looking to make decorations for fall or miniatures for dolls, I'm here today to show you how I make pumpkins using just polymer clay. First off, I'm going to start with some orange Sculpey oven bake polymer clay. I'm just going to grab a small chunk of it, enough to make about 2 or so pumpkins. Next, I'm going to grab a tiny bit of black polymer clay. Again, I'm using Sculpey. And now I'm going to mix it. You can use brown or black if you want to darken your pumpkin up. I prefer brown, but I didn't have any, so I went with black. If you use too much black, it will turn muddy. You can also just not use any brown or black if you'd like. I just wanted to have my colors a little more muted. If you like the bright orange, that's perfectly acceptable too. It's all up to you and what you'd like. So now I'm just finishing mixing and I'm going to roll it into a ball. I'm going to flatten the top and bottom of the ball. So I'm going to pinch and spin to flatten the top and bottom. I don't want to completely flatten my pumpkin, I just want it to look more of a pumpkin shape. So I'm going to grab something with a somewhat pointy edge and make a hole right in the middle of the pumpkin. Darn camera won't focus. And so now I'm going to take something with a flat edge. I'm using a clay tool here. You could also use like a toothpick or anything really that's flat. And I'm just going to draw a line down the side. So I'm just going to continue making these lines. I'm just going across in like a plus shape and drawing the lines down. You don't want to press too hard because you don't want to like completely go into the clay. Excuse my fingernail polish in this. My daughter helped me, and honestly, I'm kind of a child to myself because I cannot seem to keep my nail polish from smudging on everything. Anybody else have that problem? No? Just me? Okay. So now I'm just going to add some smaller lines. I'm not going to press as hard on these ones. This is just to make the pumpkin look more realistic. So you don't have to go all the way from top to bottom on these ones. You can if you'd like, but just make sure you're not pressing as hard as the first time. So now we're going to grab some green clay. You could also choose to use brown because we're just going to use this for the stem. So we're going to roll it out into a snake. Take a sharp tool and cut it to the desired length of the stem you'd like. And then stick it in the hole that you made with the sharp tool earlier. And there you go. You could also make a smaller snake to make vines and stick them on your pumpkins. Hope this was helpful. If you'd like to see more of my future tutorials and reviews, make sure to click that subscribe button and leave a comment below on what I should make next.